What the actual fuck happened today? Good morning. Oh boy. I actually slept really well. Way better than I thought I was going to. Alright, I guess it's time to wake Mike up. It's like 6:30. We're gonna go meet Jim and Carlos and Ed and Ron and all those guys for breakfast over at Waffle House, and then we're gonna go to the meet, and we'll see all of you guys there. See you in a sec. Boom, all torn down. Put the electronics back in the car, put everything back there. Mike just went to get some coffee at the Sunoco. I started my truck because it's a bit of a chilly morning this morning. Change clothes and gonna do my brush my teeth, wash my face thing, all that good stuff, and get prepared for this drone meet. So I'm ready for breakfast. Carlos, Jim, Ron, get up. Ed, let's go. Come on, you can do it. See you there. Hey, Mike. Alright, so let me explain how this works. I'm currently uploading my video. I use LTE. I do all my editing. I have two identical cell phones. I was just explaining this to Mike. I have two identical cell phones, right? This is the one that I do all the editing, has the 264 gig card. I transfer all the footage to this and then I edit. And so I use Power Director Premium for Android to do all my video editing, and then I use, because this phone's not connected, I just hotspot to this one, and then I can upload on the fly at all times. So I can just keep the footage coming and do the edits at night. It's really simple. It's a simple way to do things and still make for great footage. So that's how we're capable of doing this on the fly so easily. It's not hard. So we're actually sitting in the parking lot, right, Mike? Waiting on the boys at Waffle House. Yeah. And we already see the drone meets going on, but we'll get there when we get there. So we'll see y'all when we get there. The food has arrived. Yes, yeah. Keeping it simple, but the food has arrived. Yeah. Ooh, that actually looks pretty good. Never had it with the cheddar, but that looks good. Yes, sir. Camera versus camera. Hey, bud. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Si, senor.
Si, senor.
It's Inception.
Absolutely gorgeous scenery out here, man. Following Jim right now. I got Mike behind me. Jim's picking up the pace a little bit, so I suppose I should kick this truck into gear and get her going. I think we're almost at, yeah, 65, so they're cruising now. But I think we got a little ways to Wabasso, and then we're gonna run into everybody and say hello.
You guys aren't gonna be able to hear this, but say hi to Sean.
What's up, everybody?
You guys all know Sean Oz.
Hey,
JC,
hey,
right?
What's up, JC?
What's up, man? So we're out here. Yeah, I have one. Oh well, yeah.
The wind cover.
That's
like you
true.
Get no wind noise at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, see, well now I have an investment to make.
Like
Where'd you get it? eBay?
I've got
Amazon?
a link in my videos.
Okay.
They're
All
called
right.
a wind slayer.
Okay. Go to Amazon. So it's extremely windy if you guys can't hear that. I'm partaking in the Viking Blood mead, and a lot of the guys already bailed, but we got Rodney and Mitch. Rodney has yet to be on my video, but now he is. Hey, Rodney. Hey. He's here. I have not, yeah, sadly enough, I haven't taken much footage since I got here, so we got to get this in there. There.
Right,
we are together.
Yes.
See how that works? We're here. It's extremely windy.
I was just showing Mitch my magic truck.
Ah.
I get the remote start there.
Ooh.
Oh, this doesn't be a hack. I got an hack.
There's a real business, but
not everybody can get on a boat and just go take
Right.
off and go have fun. They'll
but
get
there's
all
actually
seasick and
I
things
forget
like
what the
that.
hell the I forget what the hell
It's going down.
Here you go, drone worship moto vlogs. Take one. Carl giving them a few quick tips on the controls, and
You got your feet on the pegs? You can, yeah. Can I freewheel it?
Yeah, you can do it.
It's so fast! You know what to do! That's the real dad! Come on, get out of the way!
I hope you got video stabilization on. There you go.
Art, you didn't make it in my video yesterday, but you're making it in today. Good to see you, buddy. You're chilling? You having a good time? You look like you're having a good time. Heck yeah, man. Ooh, okay. This came out of nowhere. And these fucks. Then you got these two assholes. I'm just kidding, we love them. You guys had fun?
Oh man, you betcha. This has been great.
That's what I like to hear. And then Ed following suit here. Hey Ed. Inception with cameras. Okay.
Might get feedback.
A little bit of feedback. You're not even gonna really hear my video, people, because it's too windy, but we'll try. Long hair, don't care. Ah. I gave him the finger and he gave me the peace sign.
Oh, you want a video?
Fail.
I was trying not to be political, but okay.
Yeah, fuck you. This must be where all the lame people hang out. Is this the lame hangout? I came to hang out with the lame crowd.
This is the lame hangout.
Oh, okay, all right. Just making sure. What is in the air right now?
I think they just got done flying. I think everybody was over here. A couple Evos flew, an Evo 6K, an Evo 8K, a Mavic Air 2 flew, and a Phantom 4 flew, Phantom 4 Pro.
Ron looks good talking, but you probably won't be able to hear any of that due to the wind.
No.
Just tell him he has beautiful lips on the video and we know you watched the whole thing.
I'll dub it. I'll send you the audio.
Okay,
You can dub it in later.
Cool.
Most of my audio is dubbing when I'm out the location.
Right.
I've been at the beach too.
Yeah. So I have to throw Bob in here, man. I have to get him in here because he did come and he got to meet me finally. He's a lot of fun. Some more, man. Make it bigger, you know what I'm saying?
Look, I can still get a finger up in there.
Yeah, we got more room to fill still. I can still push it down pretty easily, so we're trying to make it a little bigger.
See, really, when he was holding the camera up, he recorded himself. That was me.
He was. He was catching you on the edge.
And then we got Mike.
Oh, we don't want to get Mike.
Mike's here. We got Mike. And Bob. Mike. Bob. So wait a minute. Does this mean you're flying full manual mode now? You're flying acro.
Absolutely. 100%.
I was waiting for that day, man. I'm like, someday he's gonna fucking challenge himself to do it. What's that? The Mavic? The thing? Yeah. No, hell no.
Do you want to try it?
No, not here.
I'm gonna make you try it.
Oh fuck. Boy, oh boy. I knew this was gonna happen. So how you let him talk me into this, bro?
He didn't twist your arm very hard. He just ran off and said,
Alright, fuck it.
The line of sight first.
I know. Yeah, it's throwing me
Nobody's
off.
got the goggles on still.
I keep wanting to add.
Dan's doing.
It's screwing me up.
So, you know, just line of sight right now, flying around. Out here cruising around with the birds. Chasing it. That bird's out of there. That bird just went the other way.
God, I can see the wind just pummeling.
What height are you at?
52. I had to compensate a little bit. It started going down.
So what do you think, man?
I think it's interesting.
Above the water? Yeah, just tell me you like it, bro.
I think it's interesting.
No, motherfucker, tell me you like it.
I think it's interesting.
Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, you took your goggles off. Can you do that with a normal drone?
What's normal? What's normal?
Oh, there it is.
Bro, what happened? You're good? All right.
Where's it at? Are you back? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I got it. I tried to go underneath the bridge to get some cool footage. I guess I'm just too far away from it.
That's insane, bro. Fuck, we were like, no!
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Wow.
I'm good. Maverick right here.
Oh! Wow.
Oh, dude.
Well,
Please tell me you got that on film. But did you get what he said before that?
yeah.
Fuck.
Wow. That just happened. Holy shit.
No.
Dude,
No.
I saw it going down.
He says, I'm the Maverick.
The guy that just
Bam.
crashed?
Yeah.
Who is he? What's
Very
his name?
sad
Seriously?
person right now.
Do I know him?
I don't know.
Holy shit.
That thing just swan
I actually
dived
got to see
face first, dude. Hey, look, I thought it was a pelican at
Is
first.
he going in?
Well, that thing's totaled. That's brackish water. It's not coming back from that. So, dude, it's not even worth going to look for it. Dude, shut the fuck up. You just found that thing. Yeah.
Pull that battery! Pull the battery!
Pull the battery!
Pull the battery!
That's so hard! Pull that battery!
It might be too late already, but worth a try.
That's crazy, bro.
Check the soil in his pants.
You know the odds of that are like slim to zero, bro.
I know.
Wow.
Hey, Johnny! Johnny, what do you think about that?
I pulled the canopy and packed that bitch into the water.
Wow.
You beat the bride.
Fucking everybody's shutting down. We're going over to Carlos's to hang for a minute. I gotta charge my GoPro a little bit, but I think pretty much like everybody here is shutting it down. That was the craziest thing I've ever seen, man. The DJI tried to swan dive into the water like that. So I'm gonna find Mike, track him down.
Nice meeting you, man.
You got it. Oh boy. Well, no, you're going to dinner, right? All right, well, I'll see you at dinner. Everybody's going to Texas Roadhouse.
What an awesome day hanging with the boys. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was extremely windy, so there was not much flying going on. Couple of us crazies did put some drones in the air. We didn't even fly FPV drones today, really, because honestly, I'm flying tomorrow with Mitch. It just seems stupid to take a chance or a risk to break my stuff right after I know tomorrow's probably gonna be a lot less windy and get better rippage in, so. We also didn't want to burn through all our packs. I'm charging, but remember, I can only charge on the fly one battery at a time. So even though I'm charging right now, obviously, one battery at a time. So I think this pretty much concludes it. I had a great time hanging out with everybody today. Mike is actually in Walmart shopping right now. I'm just kind of sitting out here watching all the trees blow around like crazy. If you guys can see that, you can see the trees are whipping around pretty good still. It's very windy. I kind of want to fly a little bit of 3-inch in the parking lot, but I'm gonna have to decide here in a minute. Shout outs to Billy for letting me take the FPV drone for a rip. It has a place in this market, and I'll discuss that later on, having flown it now, because, you know, like I said, at some point I would probably get an opportunity to fly it. Billy, Kyle gave me a chance to cruise it around and fly it, so yeah, we'll talk about that. Also, to that dude who crashed his FPV drone, man, that sucks, but this is a great way to test how good DJI's Care Refresh is. Man, that thing just pelican dived into the water. That was crazy. First he thought he lost it going underneath the bridge, then he got it back, and then it just swan dived into the water. So that's a sad thing. But shout outs to all you guys who put this event together. It was an absolute blast. It was a lot of fun. Shout outs to Mitch for the FPV day, 2 days of FPV. Sucks that it was a little too windy for everybody to put up, but is what it is, man. Shout outs to everybody involved in this. This was a great time, and thanks to all the people that came out. I had a blast meeting all of you guys. Finally, we've all been hanging out in each other's Facebooks and YouTubes and commenting on everything over the years, and some of you I've already met before, some of you I met for the first time. I had an absolute blast, man. Great time all around. So I'm actually gonna go have dinner with a big group of guys here at Texas Roadhouse tonight. I'm gonna edit this footage now, hopefully be able to get it up here before we have dinner, and then tomorrow some more FPV flying with Mitch. We'll probably show some of that footage the day after, but as of right now I'm gonna go ahead and call it, because all that's really left is dinner. So guys, keep your props pointed at the sky, man, and drone worship. I'm out. Toodaloo.